4-3, tapal ni Mendoza. Nakuha ng Mendoza. Number 22 of Paraiso Dos. Pass to number 5. Number 5.
14 shot
To number
clock.
12. Number 12. Pass to number 1 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 11, Nobilaya. To number 13, Guadalupe. To number 10, foul. Number 12,
Remaining time, 7 minutes and 3
substitution
seconds.
refs. 18, 16 in, 22, and 1 out of Paraiso Dos. Number 10 on the bonus throw line. First attempt. Count.
Isab lang.
Second throw. Pasok. It's a 3-point play.
Sab isa.
His third attempt. No good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 16. No good. Rebound in number 16.
Rep, sab.
Substitution ref.
Remaining time, 6 minutes and 55 seconds to play.
Score 19-25 in favor of Paraiso Dos. To number 5. No good. Nakuha na number 18. Intercepted by number 9. To number 18. Rilio. Pass to number
14
16.
shot clock.
No good. Rebound by number 18. 2 points, number 18, Salvan.
Isab. Kung palanda.
Number 11, Kasai. Pass to number 24.
14 shot
2.
clock.
No good. Rebound by number 5. Of Paraiso Dos. Number 5, dribbling the ball. Intercepted by number 24. Foul. Committed by
Ref,
number
sub.
9. Pardelio. Substitution ref. Number 5, out. Coxon in.
Remaining time, 6 minutes and 12 seconds to play.
Number 16, pass to number 11. For 3. Air ball. Rilio. Pass to number 18. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Dribbling the ball.
14 shot
Pass
clock.
to number 25. For 2. Rebound by number 9 of Paraiso Dos. To number 12. Dumiritso. 2 points. Rilio. Number 12. It's Elias ball. Score 19-29. It's a 10-point lead by
Remaining
Paraiso
time,
Dos.
5 minutes and 27 seconds to play. 5 minutes and 27 seconds.
Number 16 for 3. Rebound by Rilio. Pass to number 18, Salvan, 2 points. Number 3, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to Kasai, number
14
8.
shot clock.
No good. Rebound by number 25. Pass to Kasai. Kasai for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 18. Number 18 to number 12. Number 12.
Outside.
Sab.
Substitution ref.
Remaining and 41 seconds to play.
Number 11 in, number 12 out. Bola sang Paraiso 2. Number 18, Hoxon. Pass to number 16 for 3.
3 points.
Escotido, 3 points. Kasai. Foul. Number 9. Substitution ref. Perez in, number 16 out. Kasaig on the bonus through line. First attempt, no count. Second attempt, wala pa rin. Rebound by Escotido.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 55 seconds to play. 14 should block. 10 should block. Steal. 14 should block. 14, wala. For 2, wala. Remaining time 3 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Steal. 2 points.
Time out! Purok Paraiso 2.